Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I am going to show you how to control the laptop or the system with your Android phone. So let me log in into the laptop here. So this is my laptop guys, and I want to remotely control with my phone, Android phone. So how to do that? So first of all, we need to enable the remote desktop connection on our laptop or the system. So in order to open that, just click on start menu and then click on setting. And once you open the setting, go to the system icon here. Okay, scroll down and look for remote desktop. Just open that up, and as you can see here, this option should be on. If it is off like this, so you are not able to connect your Android with your laptop or the system. So in order to enable that, just click on this option on, confirm it, and also you need to untick this option. If it is ticked like this, you need to untick this option. Require devices to use network level authentication to connect. Okay, you need to untick this, and once you untick this, you need to make sure also guys, you need to connect with the same network here, so you can use your personal hotspot or the mobile network as well as the Wi-Fi. Make sure both your laptop and the phone should be on the same network. Also we need to check the CMD. Open the CMD here and run as admin. And we need to type here ipconfig, and we need to press enter. And now once you press enter, you need to look for the IP address here. So this is my IP address. You need to look for this IP address, or even you can look for your host name. So type this command, host name. Now my host name is Dell, and we need to look for its username. So open this option, file explorer. See, once you go to this PC, right click and show options, manage, and basically we are looking for the local account here. So if you have the Microsoft login account here, you need to type here the same username and the password. And as you can see here, I have the username is my Dell. So I want to control it from here, so make sure you have set the password here. If not, you can reset it. Okay, so you need to have your what is the host name and the IP address of your system as well as the username. So it's time to go to the mobile now. So let me go to the Play Store and look for Microsoft Remote Desktop and simply install the Microsoft Remote Desktop. We are not using any third-party software. We are using the remote desktop with the Microsoft. This is trusted. Now once it is installed, just open it and accept terms and conditions here guys. This is a simple way. Now in the network, it should automatically connected. So click on add here, add button, and click on add PC. As you can see here, it is showing the Dell. So this is my host name, but you can also manually add it. So put here the IP address. Okay, password you can add it. The user account you need to add here is like this. My desktop name is Dell, host name, then the username Dell. Password is optional, but you can type it. So I need to type for the Dell desktop here, and same thing you can name it test Okay, gateway not required. If you want to sound icons, the resolution is that default one. You can choose as per your choice, whichever suits you, match this device or the custom. So I'm going with the default, and once I saved it, now you can see it's added now. So it's added. I'm going to connect it. You can put there the IP address or the host name, both are same, or the automatically, and also tick this and click on connect. Now as you can see, so you can see here, okay, you can see it's connected now, and the same Windows pop-up I can get here. So you can use the keyboard or the mouse here. You can use the route outsource hub. So in here guys, you can use the external keyboard or the mouse. Okay, if I want to uninstall, as you can see here, I can open the Google Chrome. See here, and I can use with the virtual keyboard here. So you can sign out here as well. And if you want to remove it guys, just go to three dots here and go to delete option here, or if you want to edit anything on here, you can do that. So this is how guys you can control your system or the PC with your phone. So hope this helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.